Find the area, the total surface area of the figure below. As you can see, this figure is a wedge. It's a wedge like. So the simplest way to do this, to find the total surface area, is to use this formula that surface area, total surface area, is equal to the area of cross section. CS means cross section. Then you multiply times 2. Then you add plus perimeter of cross section times length. In this one, the cross section is a face which has two faces. Like now, this face here is also behind there. There is this face here. So this face, right? So this face is equal to this. This is the cross section, right? If it was a cylinder, the cross section area of a cylinder is this circle and this circle. Those two faces that are the same, that fits on top of the other. There are only two faces which can fit on the other. It is this and that. This is exactly equal to this. This is exactly equal to this. So that's what we call a cross section. Now you get the area of the cross section. Now if from here up to here is 13, it means from here up to here is also 13. So we have here up to here is 5. We don't have the base for this triangle. This is a triangle. We do not have the base. So we can get that base by using Pythagoras theorem. We know that 13 squared will be equal to, alright, I can say if this is the, I can give this one as the base. So b squared plus 5 squared, which is this one, will be equal to 13 squared. Therefore, b squared is equal to 169 minus 25. B squared is equal to 144, and b equal to the square root of 144. b equal to 12. So from here up to here is 12 centimeters. Right. Now we apply the formula. Area of cross section area. I have told you the area of the cross section area is a triangle, therefore it is a half base times height. A half times 12 times height, which is 5. This is the area of cross section. Then multiply times 2. This one times 2. This one will be 60 centimeters square. So the area of cross section times 2 is 60 centimeters square. Now the next one is you add perimeter of cross section. So find the perimeter of cross section. The perimeter of cross section is 12 plus 5 plus 13. So perimeter equal to 13 plus 12 plus 5. And this one is 25, 30. Then perimeter times length. Now in this one, the length is this one. This is the length times 10. So that is 300. Now total surface area. Total surface area is equal to 300 plus 60, which is equal to 360 centimeters square. But this is the simplest way.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share to your friends. Don't forget to comment, please. That is what makes us moving forward. Like, say something. Thank you.